how to import website to Squarespace. So right here, I've just logged into my Squarespace account and I've clicked on website, which is loaded up my Squarespace website. Now from the left hand side here, we want to go to settings. And once we're taken to the settings page, if we scroll down a little bit, you will see an option to import and export content. Once selected, you will see export, import. We want to import here. So I'm going to click on import and it will show us different options to import our site into Squarespace. So we can either import it from WordPress, we can import it from Tumblr or from Blogger. So if I click on WordPress here, it will ask me for the URL, the login and the password, and we can click on begin import. We can also see the different advanced options here, so standard WordPress, text style, markdown. And if I were to choose some of the other platforms here, for example Tumblr, it will only ask me for the URL, and if I choose Blogger here, it will again only ask me for the URL. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. That's how you import a website into Squarespace. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.